Welcome to Pack Studio. To begin, let's select a part that we would like to pack. Pack Studio automatically computes stable orientations in which the part can lay flat without tipping over. Additionally, orientations that minimize the part's bounding box with respect to these axes are computed. Let's select a few orientations that we want to use for this pack. Several different packing methods are supported. For now, let's choose compartment. Let's also add some separation between layers, as well as some cardboard partitions between the parts. In order to get an accurate pack, we need to fill out some more information, such as the part weight and some information about the logistics. These look good for now. Pack Studio also supports expendable versus returnable analysis. For now, we'll stick with expendable. Additionally, some ergonomics constraints are provided, but for now, we'll leave them disabled. Now, we need to select some packaging options. Let's select all of these handheld boxes and see how they compare. Now, let's pack. All boxes are packed and ranked by landed cost. Here's our optimal box. The cost shown reflects the full packaging solution, from box to dunnage to pallet to truck. An in-depth breakdown of this packaging solution can be seen here in the left panel. This part orientation was identified as the most cost efficient, but we can also take a look at the other orientation to see how it compares. Notice that our quantity per container has decreased while our cost has slightly increased. Let's return to the optimal orientation. Further information about the pallet and truck loadout can be seen here on the left. Let's take a look at one of the lower ranked boxes to see what's going on. You can see that the box isn't quite full, and that's because the number of parts per container has been limited by the ergonomic constraints set on the box. If we ignore weight constraints, you can see that this box is fully loaded, and that the ranking of boxes on the right changes drastically. Now that we've determined our optimal box, we'd like to share that information with the relevant stakeholders. Pack Studio provides a report customization tool for doing just that. If it's not of relevance, we can hide information like costs and customize the report however we want beyond that. For instance, we can uncheck this fractional inches checkbox so that the inches are displayed in decimal. Now, let's save this report to PDF. This report provides a quick, holistic view of your packaging solution to be shared with suppliers or other teams within your organization. Turn your logistics complexity into clarity with Pack Studio.